Is it legal to start a One Small Town initiative? The answer is, of course it's legal. We're not doing anything illegal. We're not going up against the government. We're not fighting the governments or the banks or anybody. We're not breaking the law. And this is why the One Small Town initiative is so absolutely imperative and critical. Remember, our slogan is we use the tools of enslavement as tools of liberation. So we use everything that is at our disposal in the capitalist world, and we use that so it benefits our community, our town, our One Small Town cooperative that we've created as members of One Small Town in our community. So we're setting up businesses, we're growing food, we're innovating, we're manufacturing as much as we possibly can, and we're creating as many businesses as we can so that we ourselves become the providers of everything we need in our town and our community, and have enough that we grow and manufacture and produce that we can still sell and export what we create around the country and around the world. So there's absolutely nothing illegal about the One Small Town initiative. And that's very important for people to digest. And this is why the One Small Town initiative was created. Because from our experiences over many, many years, we've seen that groups and initiatives that go against the system and that fight the system don't end up well. And as many people are aware, to create a new reality or a new paradigm or a new system, you don't do that by fighting the system. You create a new system that makes the current system obsolete. And that's in essence what One Small Town will do. Slowly but surely, more and more people will join One Small Town. We'll create thousands and eventually tens and eventually hundreds of thousands of small towns around the world that include millions and millions and millions of people. And that will make it a very powerful global entity. So nothing illegal about One Small Town. We're using the tools of enslavement as tools of liberation. And that includes the legal systems, the financial systems, and everything else that is provided to us or given to us or that exists in the capitalist world.